Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.3 question number 3 part 4th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication methods. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.3. Question number 3. From the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. Fourth part, the taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charges together with the charges for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is Rs 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is Rs 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per km? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Here, according to question, first situation says here two types of charges. First fixed charges, second traveling charges. Here distance of 10 km. According to first situation, distance 10 km, charges 105. According to second situation, distance 15 km, charges 155. Third situation, you find charges of 25 km. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the book. Let fixed charges charge equal to x. Fixed charge equal to x and distance covered charge equal to y. Fixed charge x, distance covered charge y. According to question, according to first situation, x plus 10y equal to 105. Equation first. Here distance covered 10 km. Clear? Total charges 105. X plus 10y equal to 105. Total charges. Clear? It is first equation. According to second situation, distance covered 15 km. Total charges 155. X plus 15y equal to 155. Equation second. According to third situation, distance covered 25 km. You find total charges. Clear? X plus 25y equal to question marks. It is equation third. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. According to equation first and equation second, by the help of equation first and equation second, help of equation first and equation second. Clear? Equation first is x plus 10y equal to 105. Equation second, x plus 15y equal to 155. Clear? By the help of equation first, by the help of equation first. Clear? X plus 10y equal to 105. It is equation first. You write 10y on right side of equal. It become x equal to 105 minus 10y. You find the value of x equal to 105 minus 10y by the help of equation first. Clear? Help of equation first. Clear? Now put the value of x equal to 105 minus 10y in equation second. Put x equal to, here you can write substituting x equal to 105 minus 10y. Clear? In equation second. In equation second. Equation second is x plus 15y equal to 155. X plus 15y equal to 155. Equation second. Substitute x equal to 105 minus 10y. Here 105 minus 10y plus 15y equal to 155. Clear? Here minus 10y, here 15y. It becomes 5y. 5y. Here 105 and here 155. You write 105 on the right side of equal. It becomes 155 minus 105. Here 105 with positive sign. When you write it on right side of equal, then it becomes minus 105. Now you subtract it. It becomes 5y equal to 50. 5y equal to 50. Y equal to 50 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja. You find y equal to 10. Put y equal to 10 in equation second or first. Put y equal to 10 in equation first. Clear? Equation first is x plus 10y equal to 105. X plus 10y equal to 105. It is equation first. You put y equal to 10. Here x plus 10 multiplied 10 equal to 105. Clear? X plus 100, 10 10 is 100 equal to 105. You write plus 100 on right side of equal. It becomes x equal to 105 minus 100. X equal to 5. X equal to 5. You find x equal to 5 rupees. Rupees. Y equal to 10 rupees. Clear? You find x equal to 5 rupees and y equal to 10 rupees. It is fixed charges and it is additional charges or distance covered charges. Hence, distance covered charges and fixed charges. Fixed charges equal to 5 rupees. Distance covered charges equal to 10. Here distance covered charges 10 rupees. You find fixed charge and distance covered charge. Fixed charge is 5 rupees and distance covered charge 10 rupees. Now you find total charges of distance covered 25 km. Clear? Now according to equation third, according to equation third, clear? Equation third is x plus 25y x plus 25y equal to question marks. It is equation third. You put the value of x and y. Clear? Value of x is 5. 25 multiply value of y is 10 equal to question marks. 5 plus 25 10 250 equal to question marks. 255 equal to question marks. You find total charges of distance covered 25 km equal to 255. Hence, required charges of distance covered 25 km equal to 255 rupees. Answer. You solve your question by the substitution method and you find the fixed charges, distance covered charges and total charges of distance covered 25 km. It is clear? Solution is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.